Hello, everyone. Welcome to the show. My name is Victor, and today we are talking about something simple, but very powerful. Something we see every day, we feel every morning, and we need for life. Sunlight. People say the sun is just a star, but for us, it is everything. Today, let's explore why sunlight is so important. First, let's start with a big truth. Without sunlight, there is no life. Plants use sunlight to make their food. This process is called photosynthesis, but don't worry about the big word. It simply means plants take sunlight, water, and air and make food. Then animals eat plants. Humans eat plants and animals. So in the end, every living thing is using sunlight energy. Even the food on your plate started as sunlight. Sunlight also helps our bodies. When sunlight touches our skin, our body makes vitamin D. Vitamin D is important for strong bones, healthy brain, good mood, strong immune system. This is why you feel good when you sit in the morning sun. Just 10 minutes of sunlight can change your mood. Sometimes people feel sad, not because of problems, but because they don't get sunlight. Sunlight is natural medicine. Sunlight is also a source of energy. Long ago, people used fire, then coal, then gas. Now, we use solar energy. Solar panels take sunlight and turn it into electricity. We can use sunlight to light our homes, heat water, charge batteries, run factories. One day, the world may use mostly clean sunlight energy. No smoke. No pollution, just light. Sunlight also controls Earth's climate. Sun heats the land heats the air, and this makes wind. Sun heats the ocean gives clouds give rain. Everything in nature moves because of sunlight. Even the waves in the ocean are connected to the sun. Morning and night, summer and winter, all because the Earth moves around the sun. So the sun is not just light, it is the engine of our planet. So today, when you go outside, look at the sunlight in a different way. It is not just brightness, it is energy from a star that traveled millions of kilometers just to reach you. When the sun rises every morning, it is like the universe saying, "Start again." Sunlight gives life, health, energy, and hope. Thank you for listening to today's episode. If you enjoyed it, follow the podcast, share it with a friend, and tell them, sunlight is life. See you in the next episode.